We rolling?
Is that good?
Yeah, you were rolling.
Seems low down.
Rolling.
Let's get my bad angle out.
Roll.
Hello, I'm Mark Atkinson and welcome to Kingsholm Stadium for the Kärcher Challenges. Behind me, to my left, I have Jamal Ford-Robinson and Ollie Thorley, and we are going to play Hungry Hippos using the Karcher wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Different points for different balls. Jamal, you'll be leading us off. You've got 90 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, start sucking. I'd be happy for you to...
Let's put some of these blues in place.
How long's the time?
Same it feels. I get the impression we didn't need 90 seconds for this game. 3, 2, 1, stop sucking. Okay, Ollie, you've got the best results at school, so as you count, please, you can count them out, please. So, reds and threes.
6, 9, 12.
2 hours later.
52 minus 10, remainder. 42 points for Jamal. Welcome back to part 2 of the exciting Hungry Hippos game. Next in line is one of the finest suckers in all of Cheltenham, Ollie Thorley, in 3, 2, 1, suck away.
I know what you mean about the arms. Jesus.
Yeah, you're going for a one-handed technique, aren't you? Yeah, that's lovely, that one. Great speed.
No.
3, 2, 1. Ollie Thorley, stop sucking. Do we even need to count? That's the question.
How did the maths last time, Jammer? Over to you now.
Well, this is where we see your Cornish maths come through.
What are these ones?
These are 3, so
3,
just count them out
6,
quickly.
9, 12.
1 eternity later.
What did you finish
I
on?
can't remember. It's 42. What's
So what does Ollie need to win? Like a real game show?
Ollie,
Greens are 1 point. I couldn't possibly do it. Greens are
there
1
we go.
point, which means Jamal Ford-Robinson is Gloucester's finest sucker.
Questionable.